Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Bright Learners. Do you want to talk about your feelings more naturally in English? Today, we're learning 100 everyday sentences about emotions, perfect for real-life conversations. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's look at happiness. How do we express joy? Let's see. I am happy.
I am happy because the sun is shining today.
I feel great.
I feel great after a good night's sleep.
Yay! I am so excited.
I am so excited to see my favorite singer live.
Wow, that is wonderful.
That is wonderful news about your exam results.
I have a good mood today.
I have a good mood because I am listening to my favorite song.
I am glad to see you.
I am glad to see you back from your long trip.
Ooh, I feel lucky.
I feel very lucky to catch the bus just in time.
I am satisfied with this.
I am satisfied with this dinner I cooked by myself.
I feel proud of myself.
I feel proud of myself for finishing the 5-kilometer run.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day to go for a walk in the park.
Ha! I am full of energy.
I am full of energy after drinking my morning coffee.
Aw, I am smiling.
I am smiling while watching this cute cat video.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
That sounds like fun. Let's go to the park this weekend.
I am content.
I am content staying at home with my cat.
Phew, I feel refreshed.
I feel refreshed after taking a warm shower.
Wow, I am hopeful.
I am hopeful when I see the new plants growing.
Life is good.
Life is good because I have no worries today.
I am so pleased.
I am so pleased with the feedback from my boss.
I feel loved.
I feel loved because my family is always there for me.
Yay, I'm having a blast.
I'm having a blast at this wonderful party.
I am so strong.
I am so strong that I can overcome any difficulty in my life.
But sometimes we feel sad. Let's see these sentences. I am sad.
I am sad to see the rainy weather outside.
I feel down.
I feel down because my project was not selected.
I want to cry.
I want to cry after watching this touching movie.
I am feeling blue.
I am feeling blue on this lonely Monday morning.
Oh no, it is a bad day.
It is a bad day since I missed the bus and lost my umbrella.
I am so lonely.
I am so lonely eating hot pot by myself in this big city.
I miss my family.
I miss my family when I call my mom on the weekend.
I feel empty.
I feel empty after finishing such a big project.
I am heartbroken.
I am heartbroken because they don't seem to care about me.
I feel disappointed.
I feel disappointed with the food at this famous restaurant.
Oh, I am sorry to hear that.
I am sorry to hear that your dog is feeling sick.
I'm not in a good mood.
I'm not in a good mood, so please leave me for a while.
I feel miserable.
I feel miserable going to the hospital all alone.
I am so upset.
I am so upset after the argument with my neighbor.
It's so depressing.
It's so depressing walking through this dark and messy street.
Oh, I feel like giving up.
I feel like giving up when I can't remember these words.
Oh, I am hurting.
I am hurting because my best friend lied to me.
I feel hopeless.
I feel hopeless sitting in this dark room alone.
I feel ignored.
I feel ignored when no one replies to my messages.
What about anger? Here is how to say it. I am angry.
I am angry because that man just cut in line.
I am so mad.
I am so mad that my clean clothes got dirty again.
That's not fair.
That's not fair that others got more for the same work.
Stop it.
Stop it. I don't like it when you joke about my flaws.
I am annoyed.
I am annoyed by the loud noise from upstairs.
It's driving me crazy.
The mosquito is driving me crazy by buzzing in my ear.
Enough. I've had enough.
I've had enough of my messy roommate's behavior.
Hey, don't push me.
Don't push me to do more work when I am already busy.
I am frustrated.
I am frustrated because the computer crashed and I lost my file.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. I need some time to quiet down.
I am furious.
I am furious since someone stole my hard work.
I lost my temper.
I lost my temper during the argument with my colleague.
It's so irritating.
It's so irritating when someone keeps kicking my chair.
I am offended.
I am offended by those rude and unfair comments.
Hey, you make me cross.
You make me cross when you draw on the walls.
I am grumpy today.
I am grumpy today as I didn't get enough sleep last night.
What? This is ridiculous.
This is ridiculous. Why is the bill so high?
I can't stand it.
I can't stand it to wait in line for 2 hours in the sun.
Grr! I am bitter.
I am bitter about losing the chance to others.
Shh! Shush!
Shush! People are trying to study in the library.
Next, let's talk about fear and anxiety. Ah! I am scared.
I am scared because I'm watching a horror movie.
Whoa! I am afraid of dogs.
I am afraid of dogs, especially when they are not on a leash.
I am nervous.
I am nervous about the job interview this afternoon.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. I will hold your hand the whole time.
Oops! I have butterflies.
I have butterflies before I tell my crush that I like them.
I am worried about you.
I am worried about you because you are not answering your phone.
I feel anxious.
I feel anxious when the deadline is only 1 hour away.
Whoa! It's a bit spooky.
It's a bit spooky walking through this old alley alone at night.
Oh, my heart is racing.
My heart is racing after I almost hit that bicycle.
I am panicked.
I am panicked because I can't find my wallet in the crowd.
Whoa! I am terrified.
I am terrified of looking down from the glass bridge.
I feel uneasy.
I feel uneasy as if someone is watching me from behind.
I am shy.
I am shy to introduce myself in front of the whole class.
Ugh! I am overwhelmed.
I am overwhelmed with so many emails and tasks to do.
Calm down.
Calm down and drink some water before you speak.
Take a deep breath.
Take a deep breath to help you feel more relaxed.
Hey, everything will be okay.
Everything will be okay, so don't worry too much about the test.
I am insecure.
I am insecure about my clothes at this fancy party.
I feel tense.
I feel tense while waiting for the final results.
Yikes! It's frightening.
It's frightening to hear the loud thunder above my head.
Are you tired or bored? Try these phrases. I am tired.
I am tired after working all day, so I just want to sit down.
I am sleepy.
I am sleepy because the class is a bit too long.
Phew! I am exhausted.
I am exhausted after moving all my furniture to the new house.
I am bored.
I am bored because my phone is dead and I have nothing to do.
This is dull.
This is dull since the speaker is just reading from the slides.
I need a nap.
I need a nap to recharge my brain after lunch.
I feel lazy today.
I feel lazy today, so I don't even want to go downstairs for food.
I am burnt out.
I am burnt out after working overtime for a whole month.
Oh, I feel weak.
I feel weak because I haven't had a good appetite for days.
I am yawning.
I am yawning because I stayed up too late last night.
Now, let's look at surprise and confusion.
Woohoo!
Wow, I am surprised.
I am surprised that my friends threw a surprise party for me.
Really?
Really? I can't believe that piece of news is true.
Oh my, I am shocked.
I am shocked to see the news about the big accident.
I am confused.
I am confused because I am in a place I don't know.
Eh? I don't understand.
I don't understand how to solve this difficult math problem.
That's strange.
That's strange. My keys were just here a minute ago.
Whoa, I am speechless.
I am speechless after seeing what you just did.
What? Are you serious?
Are you serious about quitting your job to travel the world?
Wow, I am amazed.
I am amazed by the skills of the circus performers. Winner!
Oh my God, it's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable that I won the first prize in the lucky draw.
That's all for today's 100 sentences. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more daily English. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!